of hybrid. Today's tutorial video, we're gonna teach how to remove the door panel from a 2014 Toyota Prius, regular Toyota Prius. Once again, this is the 2014, and we're gonna take the front driver door panel, and that we can use the same technique for all the others. Okay, first thing that you need, the tool is a Phillips screwdriver, and then we're gonna go in this area here on the handle. There is a Phillips screw here. We will remove that one. And then by the door handle here, there is a cover. So we get a flat head and pop this little cover out. And there you can see another Phillips screwdriver here. It's a screw. Now the rest we will need to pop this out of the. So I use those tools that is plastic and don't damage either the paint or the door cover. So you just need to pull out. Once everything is pop out from the sides, you can lift and then just pull out. And you can see from inside here, you can see that there's a plug for the door, the Windows command and the door lock and everything, so you can disconnect that. There's the plug has a little lock here. You had to push the lock down and pull. And remember again, pull by the plastic part, never from the wires. And on the bottom, there's the light. Also, there's a lock over here. You push and then pull out. So now the door is out. If you want to remove everything out of the door, then you can pop those cables out and slide it from the handle. Just remember, white one on the top, green one at the bottom here, and it slides out. So now you have the door panel completely out. In that case, we're doing that to put a new speakers on it, and also to repair this at the door. So that's how easy you can do yourself, and I hope that's helpful, and I see you guys next video.